all day.
Yeah.
Like we talking about like yeah. Like we ain't talking about like a whole day. We talking about if you putting like 6 to 8 hours into something every day for 5 years.
Mm.
And what are you doing every day for 5 years?
Yeah, not that for every single day for 5 years. Yeah.
No, you're not. So it's okay to like, and then you have to have a passion for it to even put effort in.
Yes.
It's not just you doing it. You really trying to
want to do something.
like you really trying to really conquer the art of it. And like we do a lot of things. That's why I say when somebody probably playing sports, they're just doing it probably to pass time, even though they doing it, but they're not really trying to become the greatness of it. They just do it because they like doing it. Some things are hobby to people. Some things are hobbies to people, and some things are life to people. It's two philosophies. And
yeah, that's the one thing I was scared about. I was scared that I was gonna get into it and
not get the grasp of.
Not like it, you know.
Oh, okay.
I was scared that I was gonna hate it and I would have to rethink everything. But
you stuck it out, man. Made sure that it was like okay.
Yeah, I actually enjoy it though, like for real. Like this has been like because this is the first semester that I really take like real classes for it.
Okay.
So, but it's been my best semester like academically, so not that bad.
So it's what's the class that you took that you was that really woke up?
This one it's called computer science 1, even though the major is computer science.
Yeah.
But this is like the this is like the class. They call
the
it
original, the first. This is like okay, you made it to this point. You serious?
Yeah. They call it the weed out class because only like 50% of people pass the class out of the whole group. So out of like probably 800 students that take the class a year, only like maybe 400 make it out of that class.
Wow.
And so that's why they call it like the weed out. And then UCF, because they want to be extra, has a foundation exam. And so to officially be accepted into the computer science program, you have to both pass this class, computer science 1, and then you have the opportunity to take the foundation exam. And you need to pass within your first 3 attempts. And if you don't pass within your first 3, you are forced to switch majors, and you're not allowed back into the computer science major.
Damn.
So
they said we ain't gonna even waste our time.
Yeah, because the issue was in like when the major first opened up,
everybody was taking it, but wasn't
exactly. They were getting too many people who would make it in, but then
not stay
and fall out,
and look bad on them.
Yes.